Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone who uses a laptop for extended periods: cooling performance. We'll be reviewing how laptops handle heat during long work sessions. Laptops are great for portability and convenience, but they can also become quite toasty. Whether you're a student, programmer, or graphic designer, your laptop's cooling system is working overtime. This is what we will analyze. Why is laptop cooling so important? Excessive heat can cause your laptop to slow down thermal throttling. It can also lead to component degradation and shorten the lifespan of your machine. In extreme cases, overheating can cause system failure. So, keeping your laptop cool is about protecting your investment and ensuring optimal performance. How do laptops manage heat? The primary components include heat pipes, a heatsink, and a fan. Heat pipes draw heat away from the processor and graphics card. This heat dissipates into a heatsink. A fan blows air through the heatsink, carrying the heat away. Some laptops also use liquid cooling systems. Factors that influence cooling performance: the chassis design, quality of cooling components, ambient temperature, and your workload. A well-designed chassis allows for better airflow. Higher quality components are more effective at dissipating heat. Demanding tasks generate more heat during long work sessions. All these factors come into play. If the cooling system can't keep up, the temperature will rise, potentially leading to thermal throttling. The longer you work, the more effective cooling becomes. Rendering a video will affect performance significantly. How to improve cooling: ensure your laptop is well ventilated. Avoid using it on soft surfaces. Consider a laptop cooling pad. Regularly clean your laptop's vents. If you're comfortable, you could also reapply thermal paste to the processor and graphics card. In conclusion, laptop cooling performance is essential for maintaining performance during long work sessions. By understanding cooling systems and taking steps to improve cooling, you can ensure your laptop runs reliably. Thanks for watching, and stay cool. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone using a laptop for extended periods: cooling performance. We'll review laptop cooling during long work sessions. Why is laptop cooling so important? Laptops generate a lot of heat, especially with demanding tasks like video editing or gaming. Excessive heat can cause slowdowns, thermal throttling, shorten component lifespans, and even cause crashes. What contributes to good cooling performance? Several factors matter. The cooling system's design: heat pipes, fans, vents is critical. The quality of the thermal paste is also key, as is ambient temperature and the tasks you're running. Let's assess cooling performance during long work sessions. We'll focus on CPU and GPU temperatures, which we will monitor using software like HW Monitor or Core Temp. We will also monitor fan noise levels. Additionally, we'll evaluate the laptop's performance to detect thermal throttling. To make this practical, we'll simulate a typical long work session, running multiple applications in a more demanding test, like video rendering. Cooling performance varies between laptops. Thin and light laptops often struggle more with heat management than bulkier gaming laptops. Remember that the manufacturer's thermal design also plays a role. Let's begin. We'll start by examining the laptop's specifications, including CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage. Then, we'll examine the cooling system's design, fan count, vent placement, and heat pipe arrangement. Next, we'll run our simulated long work session. We will monitor temperatures under light and heavy load, and also observe fan noise. Finally, we will analyze the results. We will compare temperatures, fan noise, and the laptop's performance during the simulated work session to provide a realistic assessment. We will summarize the strengths and weaknesses of the cooling system, including recommendations for improvement. This concludes today's review. Thanks for watching.